I'm at Pine Grove Drive in Hamden. Today we're going to look at unit number 33. Pine Grove Drive is in a great location. We're probably less than 5 minutes to the center of Hamden. Very close to Bangor as well. But again, Hamden's known for one of the best school systems here in the state of Maine. There are 4 units in each one of these sections of buildings. They're pretty brand new construction, just finished up a couple of years ago. They are 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a garage. And we'll take a look at unit number 33. So you walk in, very large garage, oversized, plenty of room for storage out here. You also have a deep closet there as well, which is great for bins. I've seen a lot of people put racks up against the wall for extra storage, shelving as well. So you come right into the unit. You do have a coat closet right here. And it's got 2 bedrooms. So we'll go into, this is the smaller of the 2. It's still a decent size. You could put a queen size bed in here. They do have ceiling fans and closets with lights. The 2nd bedroom is right here. It is much bigger. You could put a king size bed in here. And it's got great flooring, vinyl plank flooring, very durable. Spill stuff on it and it's not gonna do any damage. This one has a nice closet there. Now this is radiant floor heat in this unit as well, so that's always so nice, keeps your feet warm. The owner does pay for the heat as well. It's run by propane and that is included. You do have a great little vanity here. And then it does have the walk-in shower here. And it's quite large. And you've got your toilet. Nice granite flooring there, or tile flooring, I mean. Very open concept when you walk in here. You also do have your washer dryer hookups right in here. But it's nice that you can close that off so that company's not staring at your laundry there. Beautiful little kitchen. It's very open concept. You've got basically room for some bar stools there. Great appliances. Your fridge does have the 5-burner stove. And this is a dreary day, but normally it's nice and bright and sunny in here. So you've got your dishwasher and tons of cabinet space. And they are the soft close cabinets, so those are really nice to have. Again, living room, dining room combo. Most people use this side as the living room. Put a dining room table over here. And then you have a nice little patio area right out here. And you are fine to put grills and some patio furniture out here. You definitely feel like you're way out in the country, but you're just minutes from town, and great quiet location. We have some great tenants in here as well. So if you are interested in Pine Grove Drive in Hamden, visit our website, rentbangor.com. You're gonna see a green box that says submit online application. Fill that out and we'll reach out to you.